Yeah, you're right, guys and girls. Just quickly gonna go through some of these. Saunders Row P531XP165. Got this nice one here. It's only a small helicopter, this one, but I love the turbine on this one, the engine. This looks quite cool. I love the way they actually make these and design them and stuff. They're pretty awesome. The XP165 it says at the back. Then we have this one here. This looks quite cool. The XM330. That is a huge one. And then it says danger. Actually, what to do? Just take this one down here a minute. Alright. Let's have a look. That looks quite cool. I like the ones where they've got weapons attached to them and all that. Oh, it looks like little Nelly a little bit. Somehow like James Bond or something. We're getting closer. Might have to turn up the... There we go. So I'm getting closer. It's nice actually, some of the stuff. Because when you do getting close and all that, you have to try and focus it in as well, so all helps. There's a little propeller at the back. And there's a little gauge on there as well, which is pretty cool. And then you've got, I suppose you've got a little mini rudder at the back as well, so it's pretty cool. And there's the little propeller at the top, little blade, or propeller blades I should say. Looks awesome. And this is the G-Axra little mini helicopter. Love these. Small design and all that, but as you can see, a little nozzle there. Anyway, guys and girls, 18th of August 2018, and it's Saturday already, a weekend. So yeah, apparently the show they're having tomorrow, guys and girls, is only to do where people have booked in for helicopter flights. So they're not really, they're going to still have the same thing here, I think. I think that's what the bloke said, unless they're having some extra helicopters or they're opening up another bay tomorrow or something. But yeah, it's not really that much going really. Little mini helicopter there as well, and a little tiny little sort of toy helicopter, but a massive one. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys and girls.